Namaste yogis, welcome back to our channel in Yoga with Krishna and I'm your Guru Krishna. So guys, as you know, today is our 28th day of 30 days yoga series, and today and tomorrow we do some mix up yoga asanas that we already done, but most of probably we do some this advanced yoga asanas only, because in one day you can't learn the advanced yoga asanas. So here we do some repetitive advanced yoga asanas, but in mix in mix some easy, some hard, it's like that. So just keep doing with me, keep practicing, and please, if you're new here, then please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. And second, let's do this yoga asanas, then we finish with the om chanting and shavasana. So let's do some yoga asanas. Now we are learning, that's called virasana variation number 3, or you will say the hero pose variation number 3. First we already done two other variations. This one is the third one, a different one. So how we gonna do that? So first, in this one we have to stand our knee like this one, and the back leg or heels should be like this one, not the flat one, like this one, because this one give you more your body balance. So just gonna keep like this one. And now for the front side, just hold your one leg and put here and be like this one. That's it. This is our leg position. And now hand position is like that. The back leg and my heels that I just showed you before here in this way, that I just keep that way. And now while breathing, raise hands like this one. Don't listen too straight like this one. Leave it like this one. But it should be in Namaste position with the palms joining like this one. And just point out one single point in front of your eyes. Just keep looking at that. Maintain this position. Don't go like this one. No, just this one. Back straight, chest out, and be a hero. Be like a warrior, like this one. And when you're looking at the particular points, don't blink your eyes. When you start your eyes start getting wet, that's okay. If there is tears, that's fine. Then clean your eyes also. Look at the particular points, and it increase your focus. It's give you a good eyesight. Just be at that point, and after 30 seconds, then just slowly. But here you will breathe normal. Okay, do it 30 seconds with, like I'm doing right now with the right leg. 30 seconds with the right leg, and then we do 30 seconds with the left leg. So just keep doing it. Now I'll show with the left leg. Now right leg should be like this one, and left leg should be like this one, and then hands, and see particular points, and don't blink your eyes. Keep focused. Okay, after 30 seconds, while just slowly hands down, and we finish this portion. So this is the first is hero pose. So not the first variation number 3, but today's the first one. Okay, now the second one, that's called half moon pose. So in this one, how we do this? First, just sit like this one. Okay, and then comes to on your knees, the same like a hero pose, but here is different. Put your hands on your back like this one, fingers pointing downside towards your hips, and then while breathing, bend your body like this one and count 1 to 10 at least. Okay, breathe in, hold your position, hold your breath. Okay, like that. First breathe in and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and while breathe out, left, and relax here. Do it at least 5 times. Okay, this is with the support. The now second one without support. This is like now we with the support. Now this one, just cross your hands like this one, put around your chest, and while breathing the same thing, but there is no support of your back. So keep in mind, and be comfortable. If you are uncomfortable while doing this one, or you might think you can hurt your back, then just leave it there. Okay, so first breathe in and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and slowly breathe out and okay. Now this one is the Chandrasana or half moon pose. Okay, Second one also there's a half moon pose, but different variation. So how we do that? First, for this one, we have to keep one leg out like this one, and one leg here. It should be like this one. Okay, just bend like this one. Put your hands back side of your legs. Okay, like this one. And while breathing, go like this one. So it should be here. This portion should be getting so much stretch here, tension here. Okay, and also this part and this part also, the side of it. Okay, so here while breathing, and palms should be like the floor facing or yoga mat facing like this one, and hold and count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and slowly breathe out. So do it at least 5 times with this side, and then 5 times with the left side. So it's the same here. Breathe in and breathe out. Hold 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Breathe. Okay. Now we done the both variation of half moon pose.
That's called Sarvangasana, or you can say the shoulder stand pose. So in this one, first just lay down like this one. Okay, lay down like this one. Relax here, and then we start the shoulder stand pose. So first, put your hands here, see side of your body. So when you're lifting your legs, it will give you some good support. Okay. So while breathing, lift your hands like this one, and then from here, give a little bit push, and use your core muscles, use your back muscles to lift your hips. And then while you just lift your hips, that time just hold your back with your hands, with your palms, give some support, and then straight your the upper part. And in this one, because this one is only so much pressure on neck, so be comfortable. If you having any issue, trouble with your neck, then please leave this position and come to the first position like this one. Okay, and in this one your chin should be touched to your chest here. This much of you have to straight your this part. Okay, so it's like that. First up, and then push, and then hold here. Okay, so it's like that. Like that. Lift, then hold, and straight. Go as straight as you can and hold this position. There is so much pressure on your neck and on your face because just your blood flow just reverse. Now you will get so much tension on your face, and after some time, slowly bend your this position like this one. Go slowly. Okay. This is how we do shoulder stand pose. So be comfortable here. In yoga, you have to be comfortable. If you start feeling anything like the uncomfortness or anything the cramp or anything, then just go the first position and then relax there. So this is how we do the shoulder stand pose or Sarvangasana.
And now the next one, that's called the Dhruvasana, Bhairathasana. It's a kind of tree pose, but this one is used more. Need more focus, because in this particular in this one are both the four are legs and hands. That every our hands and legs, they are in a different position. So you have to be more focused to maintain that balance. It's like that. The same first, left like this one, and then one hand is here, one hand is here. So you can see both my hands and legs are at the different position. Okay, so I have to be focused. It's like that. It's like a Buddhist meditation technique. So here you put this hand around your navel area, and then stand like this one. Maybe it's up to you. Breathe normal, so you can just hold as long as you can hold. But keep in mind, hold your both sides at the equal time. Okay. Now let's do with the left side. Breathe normal, be focused, mark your points in front of your eyes and just look at that particular point, and then slowly breathe out. So now these two we did for the body balance, and now the next one, that's called Saundaryasana, or you can say standing west circle pose. So in this one, this is especially for your face, your hair, and your side belly fat. If you can start doing this one, you will lose so much weight in very short time. So first in this one, just wide your legs like this one, and then first slowly while breathing, lift your hands, raise them, and cross your fingers like this one, knock them, lock them, and then slowly while breathe out comes to the down, and middle till your middle is a breathe out, and from your middle is a breathe in. I'll show you how we do it. First breathe in. Now I'm doing from the right side. So first I turn right side, and while breathe out till here, from here is breathe in. Okay, and look at your fingers here, this portion. When you're making this one, look at this portion, and sometimes you feel like giddiness, and then look at the front side. Otherwise, try to look at there. Okay, so I'll show you the both ways. Breathe out. From here, breathe in. Now I'm looking front. Breathe out. Breathe in. But keep in mind, it has to be pressure here on the side also. Okay. So when you're going like this one, this one now, this side of my this side of area getting so much attention here, and going down, and while lifting from this side should be getting the attention. Okay. Now the left side. First left side. From here, breathe in. In front. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Okay. Now it is Saundaryasana, or standing west circle pose. So this is all about today's yoga class. Now we do some pranayams, and then after we finish with the Om chanting and Shavasana. So let's do some pranayam. Or if you have your breathe is not like calm, it's very high breathe, then just sit down and breathe your normal. Calm down your breathe, settle it, and then we do some pranayams and Om chanting and Shavasana. So we do the this Anulom Vilom, and then we do some other maybe Om or Brahmari or something. So now let's do the Anulom Vilom first. So you know how to do the Anulom Vilom actually already, okay? And if you don't know, then please, I've made so many videos. Or if you're doing watch some other videos like first to 7 days. There is in this you will find this every pranayams in the maybe single. So you'll learn from there, okay? So let's start with the Anulom Vilom, or alternate nostril breathing pose. Still, I'll tell you what I'm doing here, so you will understand if you are new here then. So first, close your left nostril and breathe in from the right nostril. And hold for 3-4 seconds, and then slowly breathe out from the left nostril. Close your right and breathe out from the left. Again, breathe in from the left. You just breathe out from left. Now again, breathe in from the left only, okay? And then close your left and breathe out from the right side. Again, breathe in from the right only, and breathe out from left. Keep doing it. Now don't open your eyes. Now we do the Brahmari. So in Brahmari, you know how to do it. If you don't know, then you can see this one and then start doing it. So first you put your these middle fingers on your eyes. One, the index finger is upper side of your eyelashes, and then one, the small finger, the little finger is just around your nose, and with thumbs you close your ear and make a sound while breathe in, and then while breathe out make a sound, humming sound. Okay, let's do it 3-4 times. Okay, and keep your hands just like this one. Okay, don't be like this one, otherwise it will change your position from your eyes and your nose and your ear. So keep your hands like this one only. Okay, now the Anulom Vilom. Okay, for in this one, put your hands on your knees and just with right hand, actually we'll take Anulom Vilom. Okay, now we're gonna do Om, the last one, and then after the Shavasana, and then we finish. So you know how to do the Om, okay? But still I'll tell you, your breathe 65% is your O, and last 35% of your breathe is may sound. Okay, let's do it at least 7 to 10 times, but I'm gonna do 4 to 5 times only. Okay, let's breathe in. Do it according to your breathe capacity. Okay, if you have 10 seconds breathe capacity, then do it at least 6 minutes O and last 4 minutes So I'm doing according to my breathing capacity, so you do according to yours. Okay. One more time. Okay, don't open your eyes and go to the Shavasana, the corpse pose. Okay.
Just relax. Just lay down on yoga mat freely, no tension, any body part. Just relax. Relax your every body part. Okay. Just drop your shoulder, lose your back muscles, thighs, stomach, hands, fingers, knees, elbows, everything. Just relax. No tension, any body parts. Okay, now join your hands, rub them, make them warm. Gently on eyes, forehead, cheeks, and the last one is throat. And let's do one more time. Don't open your eyes, stay here. Okay, now you can slowly open your eyes. Don't get up straight away, okay? Just turn around this side. Sleep here or maybe stay here for 5 to 10 seconds. Relax your body. And that while taking support from your right hand. There. And the last stretching part. So first, breathing. Go to the right knee side. Breathing. And left knee side. Breathing. And the front side. So guys, this is all about today's yoga class. I hope you like it. And how you feeling after finishing this class, because we did some easy one, we did some the hard one. So I hope you like it, the mixture of this all yoga asanas. And second thing, if still you yet to subscribe this channel, then please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon, because I really need your support guys, because we hardly still till here is 1500 something subscribers. So just subscribe the channel, don't go without subscribing. And don't forget to share and like this video and comment your opinion. So that's all about today's yoga class. Tomorrow we're going to learn something new, something very some easy and some hard yoga asanas. So see you in tomorrow class. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Namaste.